Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about a stunning piece of clothing that I recently came across, the semi-chiffon Jari piping Jaipuri print bandhani saree. This gorgeous fabric is perfect for those who want to make a statement with their fashion choices. The semi-chiffon material gives it a lightweight and airy feel, making it perfect for some of spring. The Jari piping add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the fabric, making it perfect for more formal occasions. The Jaipuri print bandhani's design is what really set this fabric apart. It's a traditional Indian print that feature intricate design and pattern. The color are vibrant, eye-catching, making it perfect for those who want to stand out from the crowd. Now let's talk about the price. It's just $575. This fabric is an absolutely steal. It's rare to find such high quality fabric at such an affordable price point. Overall, I highly recommended the semi-chiffon Jari piping Jaipuri print bandhani saree to anyone who want to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to their wardrobe. It's perfect for both casual and formal occasions. So guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then the link is in description box. You can check it out. Hey guys, thank you for turning in to my collections, and just want to take a moment to express my gratitude for your support and viewership. It means the world to me that you take the time to check out my content and engage with me in the comment. I have been working hard to curate a collection that reflect my personal style and interested, and I am thrilled to share it with all of you, from fashion and beauty to